Hello everyone and welcome to my next video. In this video I'm going to show you what consistency of the paint I use in most of my pours, which is it's very thin, but it's not too thin. So as you see right now, I'm after mixing some of these up. Right now you could pour with this. I haven't added any water to it to thin it down anymore. Not yet anyway, but you want to make sure that you mix it very thoroughly and make sure there's no lumps in it. As you see, kind of on the back of it, it's kind of very thick and heavy. Just give it a good stir. Now I'm going to start adding water to all the rest of the ones I've stirred up, like this one. Let's get to it. Now keep in mind, when you use this pouring medium, like I showed you in the last video, is if you make it too thin, like right now that I added a good bit of water and it's after making it really thin, just set it aside and it will get thicker as you leave it there. It doesn't take very long at all for it to thick up. It's very watery right now. So I'm just going to set that to the side. It's no biggie. I use a sports cap on my bottle of water to basically limit the flow of it. It's actually really handy. Oh yeah, this is good. I said it in the last video as well that the thinner the paint, the two differences between the thinner and the thicker of the paint is, if you have it really thick, you get less cells, but more likely the cells are to stick around during the drying process. And then the thinner the paint, the more cells you get, but the more likely they're going to disappear basically. So I try to do in between, like a very thin but not so thick, if you get me. That's what I try to do. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I have all of them ready. I was going to say the next video you see will be the painting of this, but you'll actually see this one before this one. So yeah, this is basically how I've done it. So thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.